Have you ever found yourself in a situation where certain foods left you feeling uncomfortable and weighed down? For many, constipation often goes hand in hand with unexpected weight gain. Our channel offers numerous videos on natural remedies for treating these issues at home. However, today's recipe might just surprise you. Ever heard of papaya, oats, and cinnamon juice? This concoction not only aids in regulating your digestive system, but also supports weight loss. It's truly remarkable, isn't it? In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to resort to food delivery apps for convenience. Yet prioritizing our health requires a bit of commitment and time for meal preparation. Proper nutrition not only supports a healthy weight but also helps rid the body of accumulated toxins, which can lead to various health issues, including obesity. To assist you on this journey, let's delve into the recipe for papaya, oats, and cinnamon juice. You'll need 1/4 cup of papaya, half a cup of oats, 1½ cups of almond milk or water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The preparation process is incredibly simple. To prepare the juice, simply combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. If you find the juice lacks sweetness to your liking, you can add a teaspoon of honey. It's best consumed every morning on an empty stomach. But why does this concoction work so effectively? Papaya contains enzymes that aid in digestion, promoting regular bowel movements and relieving constipation. Oats are packed with fiber, aiding in weight loss, regulating digestion, and reducing cholesterol levels. Additionally, cinnamon not only adds a delightful aroma, but also provides antioxidant properties, boosts the immune system, and offers anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. By regularly consuming this mixture, you'll help cleanse your intestines, alleviate constipation, and rid your body of toxins, resulting in a powerful detoxification effect. This detoxification process can contribute to weight loss and overall improved health. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes and tips.